Okay, so you're gonna start off by holding the deck in a straddle grip like so, and you're gonna break the deck with your right hand, with your thumb over here near the edge, your middle near the edge, your ring over here, and you're gonna break the deck like so, a small packet, and then you're gonna twist your hands like so, okay, and you're gonna place your index on top, your left index on top, and remove your left thumb. So now you're holding it like so. What you're gonna do now is you're gonna break the packet right over here with your thumb and index, and you're gonna do two things. Once you break the packet like so, from here you're doing two things. You're gonna allow this packet to fall into these three fingers over here like so, okay, and at the same time you're basically hinging this packet, the two of clubs packet, with your left thumb like so, okay. Once you get over here, you're gonna slide this packet down over here, okay, near the end. So now your middle is contacting here. You're now gonna basically push your index over here to your left side, okay, and allow this packet to fall on your index, and at the same time you're holding these two packets in your left hand like so, okay. What you're gonna do now is you're gonna allow this king of diamonds packet to basically pivot about this packet, okay. So now you're basically using your left index to push this packet slightly, okay. You're gonna close this packet that's balanced on your right middle finger, okay, close it. You're gonna slide this packet down, this two of hearts packet, okay. While you're closing this packet by pushing it over here, you're gonna place your left index on top, okay. Once you place this left index on top, you're gonna re-grip from clipping this packet with your right index and right middle to your thumb, and you're gonna pull this around your left index like so. Now in a quick overview,